So SEFPRO CARE supports customers in all maintenance and emergency repairs. We can operate either in hot or cold conditions, and we have a wide range of solutions with fused cast grains. So we have different kind of applications. As I was saying, we have either hot applications or cold applications. In terms of hot applications, we have the Hot Bottom AZS, which is one of our famous products to repair your bottom. But we also have hot overcoating or hot shaker pack repairs. In terms of cold applications, we have our famous product, which is the cast-in place, and this is a very suitable product for all partial repairs if you want to optimize your capex and your repair strategy. So main benefits of SEFPRO CARE is in hot conditions, avoid production downtime, you keep your furnace operating while doing the repair, and in cold conditions, you're optimizing your repair with the best possible conditions for partial cold repairs. We enable customers to extend their furnace lifetime and to also be there in a very fast time to support customers in emergency repairs.